Sony's Xperia XZ3 is still afresh on the shelves, and rumors about the upcoming mainstream flagship from the house of Sony, the Xperia XZ3, are starting to go around. But of course, Sony is famous for its 6-month update cycle, so it doesn't really come as a surprise. Welcome back to QatNip, and come on, let's learn together. The latest leaks bring us real-life images revealing some of the interesting details about the design and hardware. We see a tall 18:9 aspect ratio screen surrounded by bezels fairly thick by the 2018 standards. Judging by last year's flagship, this one has its earpiece act as a speaker. The bottom of the device isn't pictured, but we can assume it will feature a second speaker for that sweet stereo sound. Moving on to the back, we see an identical design to the Xperia XZ2 with a curved design, but more importantly, Sony is embracing the dual camera trend, which confirms the earlier report claiming that the Xperia XZ3 will come with the same dual camera configuration found on the Xperia XZ2 Premium. If the previous leak is to be believed, the XZ3 will also bring a bigger battery, more RAM, and a 5.7-inch 1080x2160 pixel resolution IPS display. We will probably know for sure during this year's IFA at Berlin, as the company always announces some of its handsets during the forum. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. So that's it for this video, and we hope you liked it. A million thanks to our dear subscriber family for your continuous love and support, and until next time, stay tuned for more.